If there's one time you should definitely buy an air fryer, it's Black Friday. With that in mind, I've handpicked the 15 best air fryer Black Friday deals that you can get in 2024. Links to each of the best Black Friday air fryer deals are in the description box. This Black Friday, you can snag the Emeril Lagasse 26 quart extra large air fryer for just $149.99, down from its original price of $189.99. That's a sizable 21% off, saving you $40 on this versatile kitchen appliance. The extra large 26 quart capacity is perfect for families or entertaining guests. You can rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza with ease. The stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek, but also makes cleaning a breeze. Get ready for an amazing air fryer Black Friday deal. The instant Vortex plus 6 quart air fryer is now available for just $79.99, down from its original price of $139.95. That's a whopping 43% discount, saving you almost $60 on this versatile kitchen appliance. One-touch smart programs make cooking a breeze. You can easily prepare wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, and even desserts like cookies and cinnamon buns with just a press of a button. These customizable programs take the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures, perfect for busy weeknights or when you're just starting your culinary journey. This Black Friday, you can own the Ninja 4-in-1 air fryer for just $69.99, down from its original price of $89.99. That's a healthy 22% discount, saving you $20 on this kitchen powerhouse. You'll love how this air fryer transforms your cooking routine. It's not just about frying, you can roast, bake, and even dehydrate foods. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for whipping up snacks or side dishes for a small family. During the 2024 Air Fryer Black Friday sale, you can get the COSORI Turbo Blaze Air Fryer for just $87.99, down from its original price of $119.99. That's a full 27% off, saving you $32 on this kitchen game changer. The Turbo Blaze technology is no joke. You'll be amazed at how quickly it cooks your food, perfect for those busy weeknights when you're short on time, but still want a tasty, home-cooked meal. With its 5-speed airflow system, you can expect evenly cooked, crispy results every time. Get ready for a sizzling deal. The Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer is now on sale for just $34.99, down from its original price of $49.99. That's a cool 30% off, saving you $15 on this compact kitchen marvel. You'll love how this little powerhouse fits snugly on your countertop without hogging all the space. Its aqua color adds a fun pop to your kitchen decor, and the simple dial controls make it a breeze to use. Just toss in your food, set the timer, and let it work its magic. You're in for a treat this Black Friday. The CHEFMAN Dual Basket Air Fryer, originally priced at $99.99, is now available for just $69.99. That's a full 30% off, saving you $30 on this kitchen powerhouse. The standout feature of this air fryer is its dual basket design. You can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously, perfect for whipping up a complete meal in one go. Each basket holds 3 quarts, giving you a total capacity of 6 quarts, enough to feed a hungry family or a group of friends. Black Friday brings another incredible deal, this time on the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo. Originally priced at $299.99, it's now available for just $209.99, saving you a sizable 30% off the list price. You'll love how this air fryer transforms your cooking routine. With its spacious 25-quart capacity, you can whip up family-sized meals or party platters without breaking a sweat. The dual zone feature is a game changer, letting you cook 2 different dishes at different temperatures simultaneously. The Ninja Flip Air Fryer Oven is now available at a jaw-dropping 35% off during the Black Friday Air Fryer sale. Originally priced at $199.99, You can snag this space-saving air fryer for just $129.99. That's a whopping $70 in savings. You'll love how this nifty gadget transforms your cooking game. With its unique flip-up design, you can reclaim precious counter space when it's not in use. No more cluttered kitchen worktops. Grab the Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro for just $399.95 this Black Friday, down from its original $499.95 price tag. You'll save a whopping $100 on this kitchen powerhouse. The Joule Smart Oven combines 13 cooking functions into one sleek appliance. You can air fry, bake, broil, and even dehydrate with ease. Its Element IQ system ensures precise temperature control, so your meals turn out perfect every time. During the Black Friday Air Fryer Deal Sale, you can get the Instant Omni Air Fryer Toaster Oven for just $119.89, down from its original price of $199.99. That's a sweet 40% savings on this kitchen multitasker. The Instant Omni brings together the best of both worlds, a toaster oven and an air fryer. You'll find yourself reaching for it daily, whether you're crisping up leftovers or baking a small batch of cookies. Its 7 cooking functions give you plenty of options without cluttering your counter with multiple appliances. This Black Friday, you can snag the Cucina Infrared Air Fryer Oven for just $149.99, down from its original price of $199.99. That's a nice 25% discount, saving you $50 on this kitchen powerhouse. You'll love the infrared heating technology combined with true convection. It cooks food up to 40% faster than traditional ovens, giving you crispy exteriors and juicy interiors. The 26.3 quart capacity is perfect for families or when you're entertaining guests. Don't miss out on the Black Friday deal for the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Oven. Originally priced at $111.99, you can now snag it for just $159.99, saving you a healthy 30% off the list price. You'll love the spacious 21 quart capacity, perfect for whipping up meals for the whole family. It can easily fit a 12-inch pizza or a 4-pound chicken, making it ideal for various cooking tasks. The digital display is user-friendly and provides all the information you need at a glance. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is available for just $89.85 this Black Friday instead of the usual $149.99, giving you a solid $60 off this popular family-size air fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is a kitchen powerhouse that'll revolutionize your cooking routine. With its 7-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and even use the rotisserie feature. This versatility means you can prepare a wide variety of meals without cluttering your countertop with multiple appliances. During the 2024 Air Fryer Black Friday Deal Sale, you can buy the Calphalon Performance French Door Air Fryer Oven at half price for just $159.99, down from its original price of $319.99. The oven's sleek stainless steel exterior and French door design add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. With a single pull, both doors open smoothly, making it easy to slide in a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of bread. The large capacity is perfect for families or those who love to entertain. This Black Friday, you can own the Kalorik MAXX Digital Air Fryer Oven for just $164.99, down from its original price of $229.99. That's a 28% savings on this versatile kitchen appliance. The Kalorik MAXX is more than just an air fryer. It's a kitchen powerhouse that can replace multiple appliances. With its 10-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, bake, toast, roast, and even use it as a rotisserie. This means less clutter in your kitchen and more cooking options at your fingertips.